Today, I'm going to share a real client project we recently completed, titled Marketing Data Analyst for Performance Analysis. Due to confidentiality, I can't show the client's actual data, but I'll walk you through the full workflow, step by step, how we analyzed and visualized the client's marketing performance professionally. The client's goal was simple. They wanted to measure the performance of their marketing channels, including banner ads, eBlasts, eNewsletters, and webinars. They already had pre-calculated metrics like CTR, CPC, conversions, and ROI, but they needed a professional analysis and visualization report to identify top-performing campaigns and marketing channels. We began the project by collecting all Excel files the client provided. Each sheet represented a different channel: ads, emails, and webinars. Our first task was to organize, clean, and merge all data into a single structure. For this step, we used Microsoft Excel with Power Query to remove duplicates, standardize headers, and align data columns. We renamed all columns under a unified structure: channel name, clicks, impressions, CTR, conversions, CPC, revenue, and date range. Then we added calculated fields like ROI, gross, revenue, cost to measure profit efficiency. After cleaning, we moved to data analysis. We used pivot tables to compare campaign performance across channels. Pivot 1, channel versus CTR. Pivot 2, campaign versus ROI. Pivot 3, region versus conversion rate. We applied conditional formatting to highlight top-performing campaigns automatically. Once analysis was complete, we moved to visualization using Power BI. Here, we imported our clean dataset and started building visuals. A channel-wise performance dashboard comparing CTR and ROI. A bar chart showing top 5 campaigns by ROI. A line chart showing CPC trends over time. A funnel chart visualizing the marketing conversion journey. A geomap showing regions with the highest engagement. After creating visuals, we focused on insights. We found that banner ads had the highest impressions but lower CTR. Webinars generated the highest ROI despite fewer campaigns. eBlasts showed consistent improvement in conversions over time. We summarized all insights into a single client report. The final deliverables included a cleaned and structured Excel dataset, a Power BI dashboard file, .pbix, a PDF version of the client report, a short documentation file explaining how to refresh data. We then scheduled a Zoom handover meeting with the client. We walked them through the dashboard's key features, explained how to update future data, and ensured they could interpret each visualization correctly. The client was extremely satisfied. Their leadership team could now track marketing ROI instantly without analyzing raw spreadsheets manually. Now let's talk about tools we used and why. Excel and Power Query for data cleaning and merging. Pivot tables for performance summaries. Power BI for interactive dashboards. Tableau, optional for presentation-ready visuals. PowerPoint for the client report layout. These tools together formed a smooth analytics workflow. Here's a simple breakdown of the workflow you can follow too. Data received in Excel, data cleaning in Power Query, analysis using pivot tables, visualization in Power BI, insight generation, report creation, client handover via Zoom. If you want to learn how to deliver client projects like this professionally, start mastering Excel, Power BI, and data storytelling. At HiLyst Analytics, we transform raw marketing data into actionable business insights that help companies make faster and smarter decisions. This was the complete workflow of our Marketing Data Analyst project. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to HiLyst Analytics for more real client case studies.